Understanding Telecommunications Harassment Charges in Ohio, a defense attorney's perspective. Have you ever wondered if a text, call, or message could land someone in legal trouble? Ohio's telecommunications harassment laws are stricter than you might think, and understanding how they work is vital. This video provides an in-depth look at Ohio's telecommunications harassment laws, outlining the legal definitions, key elements of charges, potential penalties, and defense strategies, while emphasizing the importance of seeking qualified legal representation. Telecommunications harassment involves more than just unpleasant conversations. Whether it's a heated argument or excessive messages during a conflict, certain communication behaviors can cross the legal line. This video will guide you on what's considered telecommunications harassment under Ohio law. Ohio Revised Code Section 2917.21 outlines 4 key elements for these charges. The defendant must make a telecommunication, act purposely, target another person, and aim to harass, threaten, abuse, or annoy. These criteria ensure only deliberate improper communications are punishable under the law. Legitimate messages, even if heated, are usually protected speech. What matters is intent. If the goal was to threaten, abuse, harass, or annoy, that's where it becomes criminal. Proving or disproving such intent often defines the direction of a defense. Telecommunications harassment cases often stem from personal conflicts or disputes. Examples include repeated calls during a breakup, social media drama escalating to private messages, or business disagreements turning hostile. Even overly aggressive debt collection practices can lead to allegations. Understanding how these everyday situations transform into legal cases helps you recognize and avoid actions that might cross the line. It's critical to keep communication respectful and intentional. Convictions can lead to severe legal consequences. Depending on the severity, penalties range from misdemeanors to felonies. Fines, jail time, and a permanent record can have lasting effects on your life, career, and reputation. Certain factors like repeat offenses or threatening elements can heighten penalties. The gravity of potential consequences is why legal counsel is essential when facing these charges. Defending against these charges often involves constitutional challenges, intent analysis, and evidence scrutiny. Defense attorneys must also examine whether evidence supports a pattern of conduct. Sometimes isolated communications appear harassing out of context, but are reasonable when seen as a whole. If you're accused of harassment, don't panic. Stay calm and avoid further communication with the alleged victim. Preserve all messages or documents related to the situation. They're critical for your defense. Most importantly, consult an experienced attorney immediately. The law offices of Brian J. Smith are here to guide you. From collecting necessary records to challenging questionable evidence, they'll ensure you receive fair representation. For compassionate, experienced counsel, contact the law offices of Brian J. Smith at 800-641-1970. They offer free initial consultations to evaluate your situation and discuss how to protect your rights. Don't face these charges alone. Call now and take the first step toward resolving your case with confidence.